Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I would like to share one of my favorite vegetable side. This is called Tumis Pepaya Muda or stir fry young papaya. And this is a very simple and easy recipe and absolutely yum. So let's get started. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Young papaya, eggs, vegetable oil, garlic, chilies, big red chili I'm using as a garnish later, mushroom boyong powder, fish sauce, salt and black peppercorn. So now let's make it. First I'm going to peel and grate the young papaya. So here I already finished peel the papaya and I only using 3 pieces, so it's around 600 grams. And now I'm going to wash it first. So now let's grate the papaya. Let's put the grated papaya aside, and next let's chop the garlic and slice the chilies. Slice the chilies thinly, and here I'm using Bali hot pepper. If you don't like spicy, you can change it into big red chili. Turn on the cooker. Add the vegetable oil. The oil is hot enough. Let's add the garlic. Cook until it's soft. Add the chilies. So the chilies is soft enough. Now let's add the grated papaya. Add some sea salt, black peppercorn, along with fish sauce, and mushroom boyong powder. Mix well. We cook until the papaya slightly soft, and this is already smells so good. Now let's prepare the egg because we're going to add some egg into the papaya. I'm using 4 eggs here. A pinch of salt. Whisk it. Add the egg in the center. And now mix all together. I have to say that my mouth is start watering. It's so yum. So I cook it for another 5 minutes, then it's ready. Let's plate it. Add a big red chili as a garnish. So here we are, Tumis Pepaya Muda. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write it down my email address in the description below. And if you like my video, please give me thumbs up and please do subscribe so I can make more video in the future. And I hope you enjoy my video. Matur Suksma, happy cooking. Bye bye.